and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the annoying issue where Instagram keeps closing or crashing. Let's dive into some easy steps that will get your app running smoothly again. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. App crashes often occur due to outdated softwares. Next, clear the cache and data. If you are on Android, clearing the cache can help. Go to your phone settings, then Apps, find Instagram, tap Storage, and then click Clear Cache. And if that doesn't fix it, try Clear Data, which will reset the app. Don't forget, this will log you out of Instagram. Another quick fix is to force stop the app. Swipe up, then swap Instagram away or out of your recent apps to close it. Then reopen it. The next step is to restart your phone. A simple reboot can often fix minor glitches. Turn your phone off and wait a few seconds. Then power it back on. If your phone is low on storage, it can cause apps to crash. Free some space by deleting unnecessary apps, files, or photos. And if the problem persists, try uninstalling Instagram from your phone and then reinstalling it from the App Store or Google Play Store. This can help clear any bugs or corrupted files within the app. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Instagram crashing. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.